Hello people, Kev-In-Thailand here. Today we're going to look at and show you where you can go for laptop repairs, PC, notepads, iPads. They do everything. It's where I go and where I seem to have been to a lot lately. I'm actually here now again having problems sorted. They'll do it while you wait. Come back in an hour, it's done. Sometimes, so if it's a bigger job, they'll say come back tomorrow, but they are quick and very inexpensive. So we are at this building here. Hello mate, alright. Thank you. This building here is Tukkom. This is Pattaya Thailand, running from Sukhumvit Road all the way through down to Second Road. Down here we'll get on the bike, we'll take you to the shop and show you where to go. Let's get on the bike. And we're off. Well, nearly off. That's it. We're stable now. Right, straight down here alongside Tukkom. 1, 2, 3. Third, turning on the left. It's very short. Something else to show you. This here is the multi-storey car park for Tukkom. So a lot of people can't park my car anywhere. There is a multi-storey car park for Tukkom, which once parked, it's just back over there. Right, let's sorted that out. And just here is Pattaya 2U. PC repairs, laptops, iPads, Apple devices, notepads. Oh, get the helmet off. They will make you, I'm going to be having one built soon, they will make you a proper gaming PC. And here it's a double shop. It's a buddy mate. They stock everything, can get everything for repairs. Oh, laptop PC, any brand, any problems, start at 300 baht, no fix, no fee. So they're pretty sure they can sort it. So as you can see, easy parking, and now for you, easy parking for Tukkom. Just walk across the corner, leave your car here. Yeah, safe. There may be other places people use. This is who I use. Never had a problem with them. Fix it very quickly, inexpensively. I know I can turn up and get it sorted on the day, sometimes within an hour. So anyway, it's a short one, but I hope it's helpful. It should be. If it isn't, tough. So if you liked it, it's a thumbs up, a like and a share. subscribe. There's more of these little informationals coming. There's more of everything coming. So thank you very much for watching. Subscribe, you bastards. Bye bye. Another repair successfully sorted within an hour. At 300 baht, it was a small one. It's been pestering me for 5 days. From a big Microsoft update, messed it all up there, putting it politely. Anyway, let's get do some sorting. Got some videos to edit.